We still both died anyway. No, I ruined it.
Welcome back to the Taco Fox.
Is that what a gorilla sounds like?
Right.
Welcome back to the Taco Fox. I am a homeless man.
Oh, I thought you were doing gorilla. We can buy 2.
Okay.
Sweet. I'm gonna be that guy immediately. No longer gorilla. Oh, I love him.
I'm still gonna be a homeless man though.
What kind of homeless man has that kind of hat? Dude, a skull and a ghost? That's my whole thing. That's my whole deal. There he is. What? Now just hear me out.
I am absolutely hearing you out. Okay.
Spooky.
Now we gotta get out of here.
Oh yeah. Spooky ghost. God. Dang it.
Wait, hold on, I'm curious actually. No, that's not.
That was a blast from the past.
Right, come jump on my head.
They all start the same.
I know. I did think that this was the exact same level for a second.
Come on. Oh.
The magma block, man.
I'm sorry, I'm dead.
Where'd the platform go? Oh. Okay, stay there.
Die.
No. I want to force some effort. Get off of it!
Ah. This is too much work already. Come on.
Oh. That was very smooth. What have you just done? Ghosts can't die.
But a homeless man can. Hey, I'm a homeless man. Help me.
I'm you from the future.
No. Oh yeah, we both had the little spike. This is.
The hat made it to the ghost realm.
Yeah. Oh wait, well, he's also a triangle.
How did you
so
just die?
By being killed.
Let's not be shapist.
No. Whee.
Oh no. I'm stressed.
Oh wait. Absolutely.
Whoa,
understand.
whoa. I did it.
Whoa.
No
we didn't
problem.
die a lot.
Do not die before you get that checkpoint. Now go solve that.
Hey, I did it. Oh no, it's another one. Oh. Ow.
Wait, why did I do that?
Stop it. Oh, sorry. I messed it up, I think.
No, he needed to press it. Now I need to press that. Now that. No, stop it. Stupid spike thing. Stop.
No.
Shoot.
No. Hey.
Of course.
I'm so happy.
Of course. Why would I? I did all of the work. And I get put all the way back. God dang it.
No, I swear.
Okay.
Hey,
Huzzah.
wow.
That was a successful. We still didn't get the time because I think that's just in the game and not a possible thing. They just put the time there to tease people.
What?
Oh, we didn't even get all the gems. I'm afraid for the boss room.
Absolutely. We're probably not even gonna make it.
Oh, that kills you, huh?
Oh, never mind. Yeah, we are absolutely good. Oh my god. Because this is the final one before the boss room. Oh, what I'm thinking.
Shoot.
We need a teleporter.
No.
One of
no.
them. Oh,
we
no,
need that to do that so that all of those are blocked so that you can walk across there. So,
it's a very
it killed me
sound.
immediately.
Oh, oops, I did not mean to do that.
God. Dang it. I'm having so many problems. Okay, you should be golden. Go. Go.
I was too late.
You were too late.
Wait! No.
This gem is not worth it.
Yeah, let's go. That was amazing.
There's no human. How? What? Okay, I'm not human.
You're a ghost.
Ghosts were humans. Look at that cat. Look at him having fun.
Whoa!
Oops. The fan should put me out.
Why? Oh my god. I did it.
Whoa.
Oh my god, so bad. Of course, because we couldn't have fun for once. That's impossible in this game.
It's improbable. Oh, look at me.
Yeah.
Dang it.
No, it's impractical. God. Pringle.
Fun day. Sunday.
Yeah, because today is Sunday.
Why did I do that? Why?
Oh no,
why did
I was
do it?
on top of you and I was gonna. Not anymore. I need to be smarter.
What?
Here.
A checkpoint.
Why are so many really weird sounds happening outside?
Wow.
Oh wow.
You've become a platforming expert in the past 2 weeks.
Yeah. Well, it was actually like a month, really. Because, yeah. I think this was exactly one.
But they're not supposed to know that.
Oh, yeah, right. It has been 2 weeks.
It's been exactly 2 weeks.
That is impossible because our latest video was more than 2 weeks ago.
It
so.
still says 2 weeks because YouTube doesn't be like, oh, it was 2 weeks and 3 days ago. Oh no. I'm not sure what to do here.
I'm not sure what to do here.
Yep, that was
No.
the song version of what I just said. I figured out what to do.
No!
I have full faith in you.
I don't.
Do not get hit by a missile. You can make it. Stop jumping to the right. Just go up. Wait, does it force you to jump that far? I have
No.
got.
Oh my god! I did it! The next game we play through, which is probably going to be Cuphead,
Most likely. Unless we want to do something that's not unbearably hard.
and is also not a platformer, 2D
Plantformer.
2D platformer. It's time. Hey!
Oh, Hall of Dudes.
Yo, that's
Oh,
dude.
no.
That's a lot of dudes.
Are these all the people that were in charge? Look at that guy. Wait, did dude number 1 die?
Dude number 1, I can't.
Or is he just gifts? Why is this man a cauliflower? Is there more up top? Like all the way up? Oh, there is.
Oh my god.
But I can't get it. A sock puppet. Apparently nobody liked this guy. Oh wait, no, he's a voodoo man. Alright.
Oh my god, this is gonna be bad. That's probably gonna be really loud.
Oh, this music's about. Pigs.
Pigs.
Can pig stack on top of each other? No need.
Can
What's
I,
the
can,
point
I,
of the pig?
can I fire the
Oh,
pig?
the pig. Oh wait, call the pig. Move out of the way of pig.
I can't get the. Oh, never mind.
There's a teleporter for pig.
The leopard. No, pig. No, they can. It's not really helping though.
I'm not sure. I wish this wasn't timed because now we have to actually be good at the game.
Oh no.
You're just...
My worst nightmare.
Oh wow.
Hey, just
You're-
like Yoshi.
How did you suddenly get so good at the game?
I don't know, but then I immediately died, so it doesn't really matter.
Spawn me back up there.
I don't know where this was when we needed it all those times ago when I was super bad.
What?
That's pretty nice. Oh.
I guess I could just jump once, huh?
Huh. Oh, oh.
No need for yarn.
Oh.
I've been moited.
No.
Forget the yarn. There's no reason to get it. Why would it spawn me all the way back there?
Oh, I didn't even know that was for the yarn. I wasn't paying attention to where it was leading me. I don't pay attention to most things that are the most important. Huh.
No cats allowed. What? No, 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 no. Oh, check.
Oh, I could. Sorry. I did. So sorry. No, I might as well have used it for something good. Oh, you really got it. Split path. Wee! Wee! Hey, I did it! Hey!
Keep that jam.
I saw them
We have
both.
48 seconds.
48. Oh no, this was so long! Oh, sorry. Alright, do not. What?
I'm gonna use the dart because I want to not do this again. Oh no.
No. What? How? Oh,
A rock.
a rock.
Forget it. Just go. Just go. Just go. Just go and I'll die.
Okay. No. There's another checkpoint.
Go.
No, the Jello. Okay, this is actually really intense. This isn't even the last one. We still need
I know,
there's
but
still another
if
one.
we just get past the 19, it'll start.
Oh no. Okay, I need to be better. I need to be better at platforming.
Please tell me the checkpoint is right at the end of this part.
You mean the end?
Yes. I mean the end. I think it is. I think it is right there.
No! Go!
Oh, tell me. Thank God. It was like a millisecond left.
Oh my god.
Now what do we do? Is there a secret pig?
Jump, I mean, throw.
There's a boat.
Throw.
Throw your boats. Stop.
Okay.
My instinct is to split up, but
Oh,
my
I
instinct is
can't.
wrong.
Here. Yep. Okay.
Chicken nuggets.
Chicken nuggets and that macaroni. Oh my god, that was really graphic. I'm so sorry.
It was pretty graphic.
How do ghosts even have any bones?
That was for a yarn.
Oh my god, what if I spawned in there?
Yep, no. Move.
Oh, you can't help. You can't do it.
Oh.
Of course. Of course. Hey, I still did it. Oh, shoot.
Oh, I'll get off that. Cool. Depressing, cool.
Oh.
We were flying through the stage.
Yeah. Okay, so like
focused.
this is
Nope.
Oh, up. We have to go up.
Let's go up. Other way. Wait, no. Oh no. Scary. Spooky.
Okay.
Oh, never mind.
Oh, that's not where.
Well, I did the exact opposite of what I needed to. Nope.
Oh.
Whoops.
No.
My mistake. Jump.
Oh.
Oh, go over there. What is the point of being over there?
There's something up there.
What is that? What is up top? What is directly up top? What is that green thing? Nothing? Is it just animation?
Go back down.
For what?
Okay, so
Oh, you can get up there.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I have to be on that button again. I see.
No!
I see.
This is not going very good.
My bad. I think. I don't
know.
What?
Maybe.
What am I in charge of? I'm in charge of the top button.
Top button and then the three. I need to time it better though. And we're gonna. Oh, I swear, this was all for like a stupid collectible. Well, it
I
seems
really
like.
hope not. Come on, man.
Okay. It wasn't.
Okay.
No,
The
no.
exit is right there. Alright, you go down there. Come on, get me up there.
Oh my god. Alright, I'm going to.
Oh no, I need you.
Go.
Hit me up,
go,
hit me up.
go. No! Oh, no, that didn't do anything. Oh my god.
No, that entire thing was...
At least we don't start over from the absolute beginning. You know?
You do that, I'll go over here. Fired.
Fired.
Hold on. Nope. Man, that really gets you. Okay. Die.
I can't.
I have... Oh!
What?
Oh,
I
I don't know how you did that, but just do it again.
I don't know if I
We have a minute and 36 seconds to figure this out.
I should stop. Alright. That's.
Alright, wait.
Ow.
Out of the way. Ow. What is the jump button?
Ow. I'm so sorry.
It is not staying there like I needed to.
Oh,
No!
no.
I've trapped myself. God. Alright, I'm gonna...
I don't know.
Get out of here,
Hattie. Why? What do we do? Okay, so this isn't going very good.
We've done it. I've
Hattie.
saluted Hattie.
Oh,
There's you.
that's me. That's Hattie.
There's no audio. I think Hattie's dead.
Oh, we did.
Let's get out of here!
Oh, I was trying to go back.
I've got Hattie.
Hey, we gotta go,
We're
Hattie.
escaping. They have
Oh my
guns.
God. We have to go. Oh.
We're back on the SS Friendship.
So we finally made it back to the boat after a harrowing, exhausting adventure. I bet your dogs are barking. I mean, let's face it, most of that ordeal was unpleasant to the point of sucking a whole lot. But now it's time to relax in the forbidden moonlight of yesterday's promises, whatever that means, and treat ourselves to a nice big mug of hot cocoa. What
Hell
do you
yeah.
say, Hattie?
Heck yeah.
But Hattie wasn't his normal jovial self anymore,
Okay.
children.
No.
He didn't say a word. He didn't even respond to hugs. Freaking hugs!
No.
He loves hugs. But he wasn't moving. He wasn't even blinking. Where's he gone to? Where?
No.
Wiki, give me that funky beat. Now it's come to an end. We tried so hard, but lost it all. And you were my best friend. You were my Hattington. Hattie, Hattington. And when you reached for help, we were too late to take your hand. But we're here now. You're the moon.
John
and
Horn.
we're your stars.
OB.
And we're here for you as you fade into the
Justin Bieber, Justin Timberlake,
Just in time.
Made it to the top.
not Davy Crockett.
So your best friend's a vegetable now. Blah, blah, blah. But you know what they say? When life gives you potatoes, you make potato salad. And I got just the recipe. Hit it. Buckle your pants. Buckle your pants. Pull up your socks and dance. Buckle your pants. Buckle your pants. Buckle your pants. Buckle your pants. Hey, I said dance. Buckle your pants. Buckle your pants. Ladies, buckle your pants. Gentlemen, buckle your pants. Boys and girls of all ages, buckle your pants or they might fall down.
But this isn't copyrighted.
Buckle your pants.
Shark.
Yes, you. Buckle
It is a shark.
Everybody, buckle your pants. But if you don't want to, no, that's fine.
Buckle your pants, buckle your pants, buckle your pants, or your pants will fall to the ground. Buckle your pants, just buckle them, babies, nice and tight, please. Buckle your pants, buckle your pants, buckle your pants, buckle your pants, buckle your pants,
It's just what we're saying, yeah.
buckle your pants.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, okay. No! Hattie, Hat. It's Green Hat. No! 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 This is so sad. He died.
The
Oh, I get
end.
it. Because of the, yes,
We did it.
it all makes sense now.
Oh my god.
We did it. Holy crap, that's the end.
I do want to get your overall, like, the only time you ever played this game was when you were a tiny child.
We're not gonna.
And it was like 3 levels, right? And
Yeah.
then coming back to this, what was your experience?
It's a lot different than I thought
Yeah.
it would be, but it
I-
was definitely fun
I figured.
with more than one person.
There's also the level creation, which is
Level
the
creation.
effort. I should have known. Wow. Oh no!
There we go.
I You made an eye.
Yeah, that was my intention. I was making the letter I and nothing else. Okay. As always,
Thank you for watching Battle Block.
thank you for watching.
That was level 5, Logan. Where
Yeah.
you going? You gotta stay in frame.
Let's go potty. I'll be
Oh.
right back. Oops. I'll be
How badly do you have to?
I'll go pee-pee.